Hello, this is Yoda, an Eclipse plugin to recommend mentors in software projects. Let's see how Yoda works. Let's suppose we are a developer wanting to work on the Samba project. So first of all, we have open Samba on Eclipse, and then let's suppose we want to work on the authorization module of Samba, and specifically on this C file related to authorization. The first way we can ask help is to have a context-sensitive help related to this file. So what we do, we right-click on the file, we go to the Yoda menu, and we click on Show Mentors. At this point, Yoda, so the graph shows the relationship between the file and mentors that are relevant with respect to this file. Each edge represents the relevance between the mentor and the file, and as we can see, there is an edge that is colored in green, which is directed towards the mentor that is more appropriate for this specific file. We can see that the relevance is the highest one. At this point, we can click on this specific mentor. So we can see detailed information about a specific mentor, like the name, the email, the number of commits performed when he or she entered in the project, when he did the last commit, the number of commits over different years, and also a list of people that this person has mentored over time. Then, if we can also send an email directly to this person from the Yoda user interface, for instance, to asking some help and so on. Of course, in this case, we are not going to send an email. This is just an example. A different way of asking help is to formulate an explicit textual query and to let Yoda match this textual query with respect to the corpus of email exchanged by previous mentors. In this case, we write a query related to the Samba authorization system, and after we wrote the query, we can submit it. And in this case, we also have a list of relevant mentors with respect to this query. Let's put ourselves into a different perspective, the perspective of a project manager that wants information about previous mentor in Samba. We can click on Show Mentorship Graph, and first of all, Yoda displays us the list of Samba developers, and for each developer, the Yoda plugin shows us whether the developer was a mentor, the person just received the mentorship by someone, so it's mentoree, or whether the person was both a mentor but also received mentorship by someone else. At this point, we can just select one of this person and click on Show Mentorship Graph. The mentorship graph shows a relation between developer in the project. The red arrow represents a relation between a person and his mentor. So, for instance, Andrew was a mentor of Stefano, and on the other way around, the green arrow shows a relation between a mentor and his mentorees. Of course, also in this graph, we can click on a person and we can see detailed information about this person, as we have already shown in a previous part of this demo. Last but not least, we have a preference window in which we can set up the different parameters of Yoda, and besides that, we can also trigger the identification of a mentor from mailing lists and versioning systems, which is necessary then to let Yoda works on the project while the developer or the project manager is asking for help. Okay, thank you very much for watching this demo.